The elbow can be aspirated to aid in the diagnosis of a joint effusion and injected in a number of conditions, including inflammatory arthritis like rheumatoid arthritis and gout. The most common approach is lateral. Medial injections are generally avoided because of the risk of injury to the ulnar nerve. The key landmarks when injecting the elbow are the lateral epicondyle, the olecranon process, and the radial head. These 3 points form a triangle, the center of which is the access point for lateral elbow injections. Using the tip of your thumb, palpate the joint space and use a retractable pen as just shown to mark the point for injection. These injections should always be done using sterile technique. Scrub the site of injection and then clean in an outward fashion. I am using a solution of 2% chlorhexidine and 70% isopropyl alcohol. Alternatively, you can use providin solution followed by alcohol. Local anesthetic can be applied to the skin and subcutaneous injection, but this may be bypassed as infiltration of the anesthetic may be just as painful and would mean 2 needle sticks for the patient. If you expect difficulty, or if you will be aspirating fluid first, which can take some time, local anesthetics should be applied. Here I have a mixture of 40 mg of depo-medrol mixed with 2% xylocaine up to a volume of 2 ml, and I am using a 25 gauge 5/8 inch needle. Advance the needle through your mark perpendicular to the skin to a depth of about 1.5 centimeters. Always aspirate to ensure that you are not in a blood vessel, and then inject the solution. This should go in fairly freely. If there is resistance, withdraw the needle slightly and readjust. Finish off by drying the area and applying a bandage.
Thanks so much for watching. I hope this was useful to you. Please remember to subscribe. There are lots of other videos including other injection techniques and physical exams. Thanks and bye for now.